All right.
Not gonna taste like a potato.
What's that, bub?
Actually, no. I'm gonna let you find that out.
Mmm. Try that steak.
Oh, my rice, whatever.
Mmm. A little seasoning on that. That's good. Want some?
Sure.
Careful, comes out fast. Campfire food, man. I love it.
Mmm.
You like the potato?
Huh?
You like the potato?
Yeah. Wanna try it? What's it gonna taste like?
Hot. I don't mind baked potatoes with no butter. I don't mind them. I usually, if I get home, I'll just make baked potatoes and then let them cool down for a while, and then I'll just eat them without nothing on them. Whew. Oh, good thing we're out in the woods making messes. It's good potato. I like that steak.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good. Little guy come over to visit us. There he goes. Man, I tell you guys, this is filling. That was a lot of steak. I figured I'd work up an appetite today too. But we still got dessert later. We brought cookies.
And marshmallows.
And marshmallows.
Structure right there. Behind you.
I can't eat anymore. Not right now anyways.
I'm just eating the steak, but yeah.
Getting our fire going again. Smoking out all the mosquitoes, making sure we're keeping them away. It's like a fogger. I don't mind. It's perfect. Yep. So peace and quiet. So peaceful.